So the first thing I'll check if someone's complaining of noise is the machine level. If it's not level, then you want to be looking underneath and adjusting the feet. Make sure it's level. I'll then go inside here, give it a turn, listening for noises. Sometimes you can get like bits of metal wire that go through the perforations and the rub on the outer tub, and that can make a lot of noise. Then you're obviously testing the bearings. There's a bearing behind here and there's a bearing on your motor. And then you got this bracket here, it's called the spider. Get the bars to the bottom and test all three, make sure there's no noise. And obviously you're testing the movement of the drum as well. Up here, sometimes parts can fall down and get in between the tub and make a noise. This can come loose, this is the weight. If that comes loose, which happens a lot, that'll make a lot of noise, that will. And it vibrates, rumbles. You can actually change the bearings on this one, look, it's split. Sometimes these are moulded so you can't get in, but this one you can change the bearings on. So, more places where you can get noise from are these pulleys. If they're loose, they will vibrate. Obviously if the belt's catching on something, it'll make noise, or the bearing in the motor can also make a noise. And that's about it, other than these springs and the dampers at the bottom of the tub, but very rarely go, they don't, so. But I have seen them go, and the dampers, and that makes quite a lot of noise, but you can tell where it's coming from, so.